Hello guys, this is Ashutosh from Portugal channel and I am here to unbox WWE 13. CM Punk has been chosen for the cover of this game. This game costed me around 2,500 rupees in India. Its back cover features these things like Live the Revolution, WWE Attitude Era, WWE Live, and different technologies like this one which is mentioned, Predator technology. So I'll quickly open it. So here's the game. So you can see the game manual here. We can also access it online. Different contents are there. Here's a game disc. I'll surely enjoy this game and post the videos. Thank you for watching.